Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy's Space. So today we are at Homesense and I'm here to show you guys some of the newest spring decoration pieces that is currently available at Homesense. So if you're looking into buying some new home decor pieces for your home during spring, Homesense has a whole lot of home decor pieces out for Easter, and I would say check them out. They're amazing. So I walked in here today and I was like, wow, they changed up so many things. Already I know the Valentine's Day is still 14 days away, and like they already have their Easter decor out already. So I walked through the store and I filmed some of the stuff that they had out for Easter, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed the walkthrough. Guys, if you're new here, as I always say, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate. Please push the subscribe button down below and also push the notification bell so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video whenever you upload a video. And also please, if you're returning, thank you so much for constantly coming back and watching my videos. Guys, please share my videos with your friends and family. On my channel we do a lot of shopping videos, like store walkthrough video, and home decoration, cooking, cleaning, mini vlogs and things like that. So please kindly share my content with your friends and family and see some of the stuff that they have in store on my channel. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Watch this video to an end. I hope you find something that you might need for your home for Easter. And yes guys, I'll see you guys at the end.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you.
like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the daytime. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. together.